So over here in Google Classroom, you can see that I have made some announcements over here and over here as well. So let's say, for example, you want to reuse some announcements over here from the other classroom onto this particular classroom. In that case, what you can do is you can utilize the reuse post option over here. If I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that I get to go around and then choose a classroom where I have made some posts right here. And then what I can do is I can go around and choose, let's say, for example, for your presentation tomorrow, remember these things. So let's say I want to reuse this. If there's any attachment, then you can create new copies of all the attachments as well. So you can go around and choose out the post you like and click on reuse. And what happens is that you can see that the content of this particular post actually gets copied out as a new post right here, and you can simply go around and post it out. So let's say you go around and then make a post for a particular classroom and you simply want to reuse them, then you can simply reuse the post out right here and save time. So you can go around and click right here and choose use these files as reference and create a copy of all the attachments and reuse. And what happens is that all of the attachments will be copied and a new post will be created over here. So it's reusing it, as you can see right here. And there you go. The attachments have been copied out and you can post it out on this particular classroom just like this. So that is how you can reuse out posts inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.